Hey guys, welcome to Fast Paced Cooking. Today we're going to cook spaghetti and with meat, and then we're going to do breadsticks. So let's get started. Let's get started with a meat donut. Get it from wherever you get your meat. While the meat's cooking, get your pasta ready. I want to get a pot of water going. Then we're going to use this, if I can find it, there it is. Angel hair pasta. You're going to want about 400 or 500 of the pasta pieces. Drop them in there, already broken, so that they sink. Okay, so now you're going to want to strain the meat. Make sure all the oil falls out. Right, now we put it back into the... Now is when you put the sauce in. If you want meat in your sauce. If you don't, just skip the meat part. That's what I would have done, but... Okay. Now you just gotta mix it in there. Make sure it's all mixed in. Use whatever kind of sauce you like, and whatever meat. Let's see. You're gonna constantly stir it. If you don't constantly stir it, it'll go bad on you. Alright, it looks like the noodles are boiling nicely. You can start seeing the fart bubbles. It means it's done. Just let it cook a little bit longer. Let it simmer to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so when you start seeing a rolling riptide inside your pasta pot, that's when you'll want to take it off the pot and strain the noodles next. Now you gotta be careful with this part because they splash. Okay. And you don't have to, but I like to put a little bit of butter or margarine inside the pot to keep the pasta from sticking. It'll melt on top of this pasta and make it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Shake the water out of it. Get all that steam out. Steam makes bad spaghetti. Okay, now you dump it back into the pot. We are basically done. All we gotta do is melt that butter. Get it mixed in there. Alright, and now you can either eat the noodles plain or put it with the sauce. Or eat the sauce plain and leave the noodles, or put it together, I guess, if you want to be weird. But yep, that's basically it. On a side note, get your kids to eat this nasty meal, you might want to persuade them with some Coke, but don't give them just any Coke. Give them a nice old, about half a can of soda. And then some nice old chocolate syrup in it. Always gets the kids eating this dinner. Just put about 1 or 2 drops. Alright, and then you gently mix it so it dissolves. And that should be delicious. Better than a Starbucks drink. Okay, maybe I was wrong.